Hi, my name is Konstantin, and this is one of the series of short videos about the engineering calculation platform Wosad. This video will demonstrate how typical calculation may be mapped in Wosad. Let's start in the first module called Calculation Mapper. Calculation Mapper allows you to use smaller blocks. Uh, they're called calculation blocks in Wosad, and combine them into more complex calculation diagrams. Let's do a very simple calculation. Let's calculate design ground motion accelerations for a building. We see that one of the blocks calculates these values. So we can drag this block into the calculation mapper space. We can click on the block and we switch into the parameter module. And in the input parameters, we see what types of parameters we would need to know in order to calculate the design ground motion accelerations. We can double check and see that this block actually provides the sub, d sub s as an output, as well as the design 1 second accelerations s sub d sub 1. So now that we know that we need to have somebody provide to us these values, we can find other blocks that provides these values as output. We can add these two blocks, and now what we can do is we can connect the blocks. And the software is smart enough to understand that if one of the blocks provides certain parameters as an output, in this case f sub a and f sub v would be provided by this block as an output. In that case, these values are locked and they're calculated only at the time when the calculation is run. We can now connect this block to this block. We can add another block here that would let us define a side class. You can see that when we define a side class, we actually don't need to do a calculation here, so we can actually go ahead and select a side class, for example C in this case, and this block will right away pick up that value, and we see that it will use side class C for its calculations. As you can see here, you can combine any number of blocks into fairly complicated calculation diagrams, which gives you a lot of flexibility. It almost gives you the flexibility of hand calculation or a spreadsheet, and the power and the speed of a commercial software.